along the path throughout the woods. The winds are furious. Why? It shouldn't be this bad. Arachne, do you have any idea why the winds are so bad? Speak already! God, you're getting annoying. I never knew bays would get so annoying by me just spending 1,000 years with their frickin' tomb. It's ridiculous. Whatever, it's probably linked to the 9. We better get back before the winds get too furious.
Not if I have anything to say about it.
What was that?
I, Ancalagon the Black, said that.
What and who are you?
I am the Bay of Darkness, and I create these winds.
Oh God.
The valley to the right or left will never bring you freedom. Only death and destruction. I will end you here.
Guess we don't have a choice but to fight him.
Yes, they're gonna fight Ancalagon the Black, the bay itself. I'm in the shadows, so I'm good. They can't see me yet. But I'll step in when I need to.
Arachne can't battle you, so I will do so myself.
Whatever.
Legendary, huh? You seem nothing more than a normal bay.
Underestimation leads to demise.
God, he hits hard. That power! He came out of the pocket, and he hits hard. He's supposed to be a defense type, not an attack type.
I'm a hurricane. What do you think happens when you touch a hurricane? You get spit out.
Well, you certainly can't touch me if you're flopped down on the ground like that. Let's try this again with the better launch. Dude, come on, stay on the launcher. He's deadly, alright, but I can't fall to him. Not now. Probably not ever.
Stop talking.
His stamina's amazing. What even is your combo? You gonna answer me?
8- metal orbit.
Well, that explains things. We're gonna have to walk away after this one. Make the run. We'll make a run for it as soon as I get a chance to beat him. Come on! Oh my God! What was that kind of attack power? He's insane.
Well, now I get my chance.
What? Balkesh? Why are you here?
Battle outside the shade, and I can't interrupt. Who are you? I am Belkesh.
It's Balkesh.
I don't care. Either way, I am Belkesh, the Dark Bay, and a dragon like yourself, Ancalagon. I know who you are. I'm not wasting my time with you, weak bay. What? Come on, fight me. My time is being wasted. Goodbye.
You got away! Dude, why did you interrupt us in our battle?
Didn't look like you were gonna beat him anytime soon.
He's a defense type. Of course we're not gonna beat him.
doesn't matter. I'll do what I must to get that disc.
It's not about the disc.
Once again, it doesn't matter. I will beat you.
Let it be. You will never beat me. And you always fail. To be continued in part 2.